So now what protooncogenes basically do is that these are the protooncogenes are some kind of they some kind of function to provide a signal so that cell divides. So the protooncogenes basically function so that cell divides. Okay, and after that they are also called as positive cell regulators. So these protooncogenes, they are basically classified into, like they have many kind of classifications, but like we are here mentioning some sort of them. Like there are growth factors, there are growth hormone receptors, okay. So these growth factors are like CSIS, and these growth hormone receptors are like epidermal growth factor receptors. So these are basically types of protooncogenes. These protooncogenes are nothing but when they are mutated, they convert into oncogenes, and these oncogenes further produce oncoproteins, which then cause cancer. So the protooncogenes are converted into oncogenes by mutation. Like the mutation is of various kinds, like deletion, duplication, viral infection. So this mutation is deletion, duplication, any kind of viral infection which causes mutation. So protooncogenes are converted into oncogenes by mutation, and this mutation is caused due to deletion, duplication, and any kind of viral infection. So these oncogenes are further translated. Okay, after the translation, they are producing oncoproteins. Okay, so these oncoproteins basically cause cancer. So protooncogenes are converted into oncogenes, and these oncogenes are translated and producing oncoproteins which cause cancer. So these oncoproteins induce the cell division and the cell proliferation pathways, and they inhibit cell death. Like if it will inhibit the cell death, like the apoptosis, which is called as programmed cell death, if it will inhibit the cell death, then obviously the number of cells will continuously be increasing and it will cause cancer. So this inhibition of cell death, like the cell death, programmed cell death, it is called as apoptosis. Okay, so these apoptosis, they have further two kind of pathways, which is extrinsic and intrinsic pathway. So these oncogenes, they induce cancer in body. Okay, and with this, all the genes and all the proteins of oncogenes, they cause cancer, and the cancer is caused due to oncogenes only when the oncogenes are produced from the protooncogenes, which are the normal cells. Okay, the protooncogenes when mutated cause oncogenes. So yeah, so oncogenes cause cancer,